Most DTC brands spend their holidays simply reacting to what their competitors are doing. I spent mine anticipating them. While everyone else was running around in a panic come November, my counter campaign was already wrapped up in August because I spotted my competitor's strategy taking shape 3 months ahead of time. I'm moving from vibe coding to vibe solutioning at rocket.new. Let's get stuck in. This is rocket.new. And what these folks are doing is completely transforming the way successful businesses operate. Most AI tools will help you build things faster, but none of them actually tell you what you should be building. This is precisely the problem that rocket.new solves. When we log in, we're greeted with a very familiar screen. This is designed to put the customer at ease, but also to let you access different parts of your dashboard efficiently. So here we can see our prompt box, along with a load of other options as well. If we want to create a new project, we just click the Create New Project button. So here, we're going with a holiday gifting campaign for premium candles. For this example, we're going to analyze the premium scented candle market, where competitors are A/B testing holiday bundles and hidden winter collection pages. So here we have our prompt, and we've asked to analyze the premium scented candle market for the upcoming holiday season. Research competitors were testing holiday bundles, seasonal collections, hidden landing pages, gift sets, and limited edition products. We've also provided more details about what to look for, and once we're satisfied, we simply press the Solve button. Now, when you submit a prompt, Rocket doesn't just look for a single answer. It breaks down the situation, splitting your market research into thousands of sub-investigations across digital sources, and it carries out the manual work of a high-level marketing analyst. Rather than just scraping a handful of pages, it investigates thousands of data points at once to produce a recommendation you can actually act on. The result is a structured campaign strategy, in this case focusing on personalized gifting, custom labels, and curated sets to stand out from the generic bundles the competition's offering. Now, it's done all this in a massive document, and we can go through it, read, and basically learn everything about the market we're targeting. Next, let's take a look at intelligence. This is where it gets interesting, because intelligence is more than just information. Rocket Track monitors 6 categories, including website changes and ad creative, to spot your competitors testing hidden landing pages before they even add them to their main navigation. Here we can see a track report showing a competitor testing a holiday preview in August. For this, I'm using pre-tracked URLs because track needs 24 to 36 hours to build up full historical data. But you'd see initial signals for your own brand in just 3 to 4 hours. Here we can see we've got key signals, we've got data coverage, we've got activity heat maps, and everything is laid out in a clear and intuitive way. Next, let's build something. So we're building a seasonal campaign landing page that feels like a luxury gifting experience. So we've entered a prompt here, as well as the brand personality. Now let's let this thing work for a bit and then see what it comes back with. From my experience using this so far, I'd say the intelligence of this AI is much further along than a lot of other platforms out there. Here we can see the output, and you can see this isn't a wireframe. We're generating a high-end design with choose your personality interactions for curated gift sets. The website has live integrations to make this a functional business. We can see we've got a full landing page here. We can also see the niche or subcategory for each of these products. And this doesn't just apply to this niche. You could basically apply this to anything. Now, what about live integrations? Well, here we can see there are loads of different integrations we can do here, whether it's Google or Stripe. If we want to connect Stripe or Google here, it's just a simple sign-in process, as we can see. And this will let our users bundle checkouts or use something like MailChimp for an early access email sequence. Now, because all of this is within the same project, Rocket already knows the personalized gifting strategy from Solve and the pricing signals from Track. To connect our database, all we need to do is log into our Superbase account, authorize that, and then it will be set up very quickly. Now, our website has Google and a database integrated within just a few minutes. Now, what about context and collaboration or compounding value? Well, what we're going to do is open a new task here and create a social media teaser with assets. And because of everything we've already done, Rocket already knows the brand aesthetic, the pricing structure, and the campaign timeline without you needing to paste in a single word. So that's the context, but what about the collaborators? Well, what we can do with the Collaborators tab is actually invite a freelance designer to the project, and they don't need a briefing call. They can see the competitive intelligence and strategic reasoning straight away. Overall, I am incredibly impressed with this product, and I've never seen anything so sophisticated and intelligent as this. This is definitely something I would highly recommend checking out. Stop guessing and start building with evidence. Get a head start on your competition at rocket.new. That's all from me. I'll see you in the next video.